Hello, yeah, welcome back. This is another project. This is Apartment Visitors Management project. So this is developed using Visual Basic. Apartment Visitor Management project is to record all the visitors who come to the apartment to visit the corresponding clients or apartment owners or flat owners. Right. So generally we used to write down manually whenever the person visits the apartment. But here, this is the project idea where whenever the visitors comes, we record all the details. Therefore, it's available in the system. So then easy for to generate the reports. So therefore, we don't need to do it manually. We can enter all the data to the system. Apartment Visitor Management System. This is developed using Visual Basic and backend Microsoft SQL Server. So what is the logic? So apartment, there is a security system. So security. So they'll allow people who want to visit the flat owners. Right. So this is the apartment. So apartment consists many flats. So people want to visit there. So therefore the security will check each person. So therefore first you'll check out who is the person whom they want to meet. So therefore they'll get all the details of the visitor and then they're allowed to get in. So once they goes in, they need to go out because whoever comes in, they has to go out. So therefore the data will be there in the system. When they go out, security will enter the out. So therefore that record will be removed and then that will be recorded into the system. So ultimately this project has to help the apartment owners, particularly in the security section, to register every visitor who visits the apartment. So software requirement, here we are using Visual Basic.NET as a language, MS SQL Server as a backend, Visual Studio as editor, and then operating system is a Windows 10. Forms, which are the forms you are using in the project forms. So here we are using these forms, around 10 forms. Apartment detail. So here you can write one individual apartment details, then corresponding report. Customer form. So this is a visitor actually who will want to visit the apartment, the corresponding report. Login form. Login form as a regular concept in every project. So you should have one login form to log in. So where based on the credentials, one can log in to the project. So MDA form. So MDA form mainly to navigate between the forms. Module is to declare global variable, function and procedures. Visitor in out. So visitor in out form, both we can record here. When they come in, we register what time they in. When they goes out, what time they goes out. And this is the corresponding report. It will show like overall in and out during the particular period. Welcome screen. So this is the first screen to show the project title. So these are the forms which are using in this particular project. Database tables. So here using only 4 tables. One is apartment details, that is the individual flat details. Customer detail. So overall visitors comes, that will go to customer table. In-out table, both in and out will be stored into the same table. Users table. So these are the login credentials. In order to log into this project, their user ID and password will be stored in the users table. So project demo, I'll show the demonstration of the project. So after seeing the demo, probably you can try to write the same project in Visual Basic, or else you can also try to write the same project in Java. You can also write this project in C#, or you can use any web application. You can convert this as a web application. Then you can use as ASP.NET, or you can make it as a JavaSP project, or you can make it as a PHP project, or you can make it as a Python project. So all possible. So for look at the demo, project demo, understand what is there in the project, and then you can rewrite the whole project in a different languages. Is it possible? Fine. Now let us see the demo. So now to view the demo, I required Visual Basic. So therefore I'll start Visual Basic. So apartment visitors management. So therefore I just open the project, open project. So here is the project and there are 2 files. One is solution file, one is a project file. Solution file means it can have multiple projects, but here we have only one project, therefore you can choose any one and you can open the project. Fine, so the project opened and you can see the forms here, and you want to see the tables, you have to go to Database Explorer. In case Visual Studio, it's a Server Explorer, and if you go to tables, you can able to see the tables. So these are the 4 tables as we discussed already. Here it is. If you want to see the data here, right click on the table, click on Show Table Data, will show you the data. Whatever the data is already entered here, it will be shown over there. Fine. So this is the basics. So let me run the project. To in order to run the project, click on the Run button. Apartment Visitor Management. So this is a welcome screen. So simple picture, but you can redesign the picture whatever way you want. So always option is open, and this is a login form. So each time there is a login form in every project, we design this way, where user ID and the corresponding password, and below is a picture. So you can put multiple pictures or different pictures or different design, lengthy, vertical, or more width and less height, all possible. So anyhow, it's one option here. So now to log in, let me type admin, then admin, and if you give the wrong password, so it will tell you that user ID password not correct. So how we do this? This will cross verify with the table, what data is there in the table. So if both the data are matching, so particularly we check this data into the user table. If we go to user table, show table data, so there should be admin and admin. So other than admin, now it will not take. But if you want something else, so then I can go to show table data, then we can enter here ABCD, then ABCD. Right, now there is a one more credentials called as ABCD. Now we can log in with ABCD also. Let's say ABCD, then ABCD. So it logs in, right? So then I'll go to apartment details. So here individual plot details we need to write. So already one, right? So let me enter one more, A1002. Door number is 1002. Block name, it is A block. So owner name, so some Ravi Kumar. Mobile number, let me enter 1234. So this is ravi@gmail.com. Right. So complete this form and then click save. The record is saved. And here is the data grid view. So the data whatever you entered will go to the corresponding table. I can show you the table. So now if you go to apartment, whatever just now we enter, you can see that the data is there here. So we are inserting the data to the table. So same will be fetched from the table and it will be displayed in the grid view. This is the data grid view. Now if you click on this, so same data will be come back again to the text boxes. Now you can able to modify or you can able to delete it. Therefore, in a form you can able to enter the new record, you can modify the record, you can delete the record, and also you can display the record. And we are using only gray color as a background, but you can always change the color. So you just have to go to form, then properties, there is a back color. So there you need to change the color. So what color you want. You can also put the images also. If you go to forms properties and then image, there you have image and you need to add image to the background. Then you have a colorful like. Fine. Next, visitor detail. So overall visitors come to this apartment to see their client. So here we enter their detail first. We'll collect all the informations. So here's a visitor in out. So today is 20th September and this is 1735, that's 535. Customer code, let's say Vinay will come. So you want to visit 1002. So this is the customer and you want to visit the plot number 1002. So therefore I can say in. So you can see that data is shown. So even if I close and if I come back to this, so if I say refresh, so that one person in. So he's already there inside the apartment. So we can also search like, so if the customer goes out, so if you click this data, that customer code will come, then you have to click visitor out. So then the customer details will be removed from the grid view. So if you refresh, there is no customers. Therefore, every time will show like how many customers are there inside. And if they goes once out, then we can say visitor out. Therefore, they're out and the list will go off from the list. If someone is still pending, then we need to take action. So why is not goes out, where he may be, all the things we can find out from this grid. Right. So we have a reports here, apartment list. So what are the flats are there in the apartment? That list will come over here so that we can able to see. We can also take the printout. So possible. Visitor list who are all in. So that list will come over here. Then visitor in out, like. So overall comes in, goes out, all the list has to come in this. It's not coming, so let me check what is the problem. Visitor report, and if we go to display, okay, so there is a status here in only, so therefore in out both we want to check. So this is not required, so maybe I have to take it out. Right, let me run this again. Okay, so I'll go to in out, so display. Now it will show all the people, but if you want a particular date, then you have to filter with the where condition. So again you need to come back, you have to write the where condition here, or else we can use multiple buttons to show only in, only out, and also you can use from date to date, so that for a particular period how many people are comes, how many are out, all possible. Please try it out. So these are things which are provided in this project. If you want to know anything more, please pass it across your comment box. Fine. So try to do the project yourself. In case you require this project, you can contact us. You can buy this project from us. So thank you for watching. So please subscribe to our channel. So we'll come out with more videos. We also start with the tutorials, so therefore you can learn via our channel, and also you can communicate with us via comment or via email or via WhatsApp. So don't forget to like this project, like this video, and also please share this with your friends. Thank you very much.